Hey guys, here's a really fast way to make iced tea. We're going to go ahead and add 4 tea bags to a quart jar. I'm adding hot water just to cover the tea bags. We'll go ahead and put a plate on it or something flat to keep the heat in, let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to cool it down with some ice before I add my honey. Because my honey is raw, I want to keep those natural enzymes alive. Then we're going to add ice, add some water, and this is going to be amazing iced tea. In case you're interested, this is our lemon hibiscus iced tea. It is loaded with polyphenols. It's got all sorts of other nutrients that help lower blood pressure naturally. There's no caffeine. It's amazing for your body during the summertime to stay hydrated. And thanks for watching. Hope you guys pick some up on our website today. See ya. Bye.